Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 3. I am your Neeru ma'am and I am going to teach you chapter number 4, multiplication. And this is the video number 2 of this chapter. In the last video, we have already learned about what is multiplication, properties of multiplication, and multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Now, in this video, we will learn about the multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number and multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. The topic is multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number using shortcut method. So, children, look at here. I have already written here a problem. Multiply 23 by 24. Here, what is 23? 23 is a multiplicand and 24 is a multiplier. Means we have to multiply 23 by 24. So, what we have to do first? We will arrange these numbers according to their places. As this number 23 is 2-digit number. So we have to write two different places, ones and tens. Now we have to arrange the digits according to their places. In 23, 3 is at the ones place and 2 is at the tens place. So we'll write 3 at the ones place and 2 at the tens place. Now what we have to do? We have to write the multiplier again by this method. So we will write in 24, 4 is at the ones place. So we'll write 4 at the ones place and 2 at the tens place. Now we will put the multiplication sign. Now we have to multiply these numbers. How we have to multiply these numbers? Children, look at here. Just forget about the second number. Children, we have already learned how to multiply any number by 1-digit number. So we will multiply 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12. In 12, 2 is at the ones place and 1 is at the tens place. So we'll write 2 here at the ones place. And 1 will be carried forwarded to the tens place. Now we'll multiply 4 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 1, the number which is carried forwarded. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now our multiplication by 1 digit is over. Similarly, we will multiply by this number 2. So 2 3s are 6. Now where should I write the number 6? Remember that from which place we are starting our multiplication, we will write the answer that we get after multiplication below that place. So we will write 6 at the tens place. Now what we will write here? We will write here 0. Now you will ask me why we will write here 0? Look, 2 is at the tens place. So 2 tens is equal to 20. 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to 60. So I have written here 60. Now move to the next. 2 2s are 4. Now where we will write number 4? We will write number 4 to the next place. Means at the 100 place. Now our multiplication by both the digits is over now. Now we have two sets of number here. To find out the product of these two numbers, we have to add these two sets of numbers. Now start writing from the ones place. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. We will write 5 here and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. The number what we have got after the addition is the product of these two numbers. Hope this is clear to you all. Okay, now you can pause your video here and write it down in your notebook. Let's understand with the another example. 42 multiplied by 55. Now what I have done here? I have already written the numbers according to the places. So let's start multiplying. 5 2s are 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 will be carried forward to the next number. Now we will multiply 5 with 4. 5 4 ja 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So we'll write 1 here and 2 will be forwarded to the next place, means at the 100th place. Now multiplication by one digit is over now. Now we will multiply by the second digit, means the digit at the 10th place. So 5 2s are 10. We will write 0 at the 10th place and we will write also 0 at the 1st place as we have did earlier. Now 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Now move to the next. 5 4 ja 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. We will write 1 at the 100th place and 2 at the new place, means 1000th place. Now our multiplication by these two digits is over now. Now we have two sets of numbers. To find out the product of these two numbers, we have to add these two sets of numbers. Now we will add these two sets of numbers. Now start adding from the ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 2 is 2. So this is the product of these two numbers. Children, in this way you can find out the product of two-digit number by two-digit number. For more practice, you can write down these sums in your notebook and do practice at your home. Children, what you have to do? You have to arrange these numbers according to their places first. Then after, you have to multiply the numbers. Children, our next topic is to do multiplication using expanded form of the multiplier. Look, I have already written here an example. 42 multiplied by 15. So, in this example, which one is the multiplicand and which one is the multiplier? Here, 42 is the multiplicand and 15 is the multiplier. Now, I will write 42 as it is and expand 15 as 10 plus 5. Now, in the next step, I will multiply 42 into 10 and again 42 by 5. So, we write down 42 into 10 and I will put addition sign between the product. So, like this, we will find out the product of these two numbers separately and after adding, we will get the final answer. So, 42 into 10 is equal to 420. Look how I am multiplying. I am multiplying 42 by 1. So, 42 by 1 is 42 and we will put 0. Now, we will put plus sign and after that 42 into 5. We will multiply here 42 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next number. 5 2s are 20 plus 1 is 21. So, 42 into 5 is 210. Now, add these 420 and 210. So, 420 plus 210 is equal to 0, 3, 6. So, the product will be 630. So, the product of 42 into 15 is 630. Children, let us understand with the another example. Here in this sum, 57 into 34, 34 is the multiplier. So we have to expand 34 and do the multiplication. Now we'll write 57 as it is and expand 34 as 30 plus 4. Now we will multiply 57 by 30 and we will put plus sign, and again we will multiply 57 by 4. And separately we will find out the product of these two numbers, and after that we will add the numbers and we will get the final result. Now 57 is 30 into 30 is, we will multiply 57 by 3 and we will put the 0 after the product. 57 into 3, so 3 7s are 21. We will write 1 at the ones place and 2 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So this is the answer of 57 into 3. Now we have to find out the product of 57 into 30. So we will put 0 after this product. So 1701 0. That will be the product of 57 into 30. Now put the plus sign and now again multiply 57 by 4. So 57 4s are 57 into 4. 4 7s are 28. We will write 8 at the ones place and 2 will be carried forwarded to the next place. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So the product of this number is 228. Now we will add these two numbers and we will find out the result. So 1710 and 228. When we add this number, 0 plus 8 is 8, 1 plus 2 is 3, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1. Now the product of these two numbers are 1938. This is the result of these two numbers. So 57 into 34 is 1938. Now children, in this way you can find out the product of 2-digit number by 2-digit number using expanded form. Our next topic is multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. So to find out the product of 3-digit number by 2-digit number, let's understand with this example. 268 into 12. We have to find out the product of these two numbers. So first what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers according to their places. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply these numbers by the first digit. This first digit is 2. Now 2 8s are 16. So 16, we will write 6 at the ones place and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Now 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. We will write here 3 and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now multiplication by first digit is over now. Now we will multiply by the second digit. So second digit is 1. We will multiply 1 by 8. Now 1 8s are 8. We will write 8 at the tens place and we will put 0 at the ones place as we have did earlier. Now 1 6s are 6. We will write 6 at the hundreds place and we will move next. 1 2s are 2. We will write 2 at the thousands place. Now the multiplication by these two digits is over now. Now we have two sets of number. Now to find out the product, we have to add these two sets of number. Now 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. We will write 1 here and 1 will be carried forward to the next. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12, we will write 2 here and we will forward 1 to the next place. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is the product of these two numbers. So 268 into 12 is equal to 3216. Let's understand with the another example. 342 into 17. Now arrange these numbers according to their places. Put the multiplication sign and start multiplying. 2 7 ja 14. We'll write 4 at the ones place and 1 will be carried forward to the next place. 4 7 ja 28. 28 plus 1 29. We will write 9 at the tens place and 2 will be carried forward to the next place. Now 7 3 ja 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. So we will write 3 at the hundredth place and 2 at the next place, means thousand place. Now multiplication by one digit is over now. Now start multiplying by the second digit, the digit at the tenth place. Before going to start multiplying by the second digit, we will put 0 at the ones place. Now start multiplying by the second digit. 1 2s are 2. We will write 2 at the tens place. Now we move to the next place. 1 4s are 4. We will write 4 at the hundredth place. And now we will multiply 1 by 3. 1 3s are 3. We will write 3 at the thousandth place. Now again we have two sets of numbers. We will add these numbers and we will get the product of these two numbers. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11. We will write 1 here and 1 will be carried forward to the next place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. We will write 8. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. Now this is the product of these two numbers. So 342 into 70 is 5814. Okay. Hope this is clear to you all. Children, for more practice, you write down these sums in your notebook and do practice at your home. Children, what we have learned today? We have learned multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number and multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Before concluding, I want to say you people, please do more and more practice at your home. As we all know, practice makes a man perfect. Have a nice day.